Australia new squad 5 T20 match versus India starting 19th December 2025. Australia new squad. Number 1 Mitchell Marsh, batting all-rounder and captain. Number 2 Josh English, wicketkeeper and batter. Number 3 Josh Hazlewood, fast bowler. Number 4 Adam Zampa, googly bowler. Number 5 Cameron Green, bowling all-rounder. Number 6 Matthew Shaw, top order batter. Number 7 Travis Head, top order batter. Number 8 Alex Carey, wicketkeeper and batter. Number 9 Nathan Ellis, fast bowler. Number 10 Xavier Bethel, fast bowler. Number 11 Matthew